I have 6 equations here where there is an unknown. What I want you to do is pause the video right now and try to figure out what that unknown is. So in this first one, the unknown is a blank. What is this blank? What is this question mark? What is this smiley face? What does this letter A need to be in terms of a number? What is B? What is this star? So pause the video now. So let's think through each of them. This says 3 times something is equal to 12. So let's think about what we have to multiply by 3 to get to 12. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So we could say that the blank needs to be equal to 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now let's work on this one. Something divided by, so question mark divided by 4 is equal to 6. Well, this is the same thing as saying that question mark is equal to 4 times 6. Or you could say 6 times 4, they're the same, is equal to 6 times 4, which is the same thing as 4 times 6. So what is 6 times 4? Well, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. So question mark, so this is equal to 24, so question mark must be equal to 24. Write that down. Question mark in this case is equal to 24. Now here I have 54 is equal to 9 times smiley face. So 9 times what is equal to 54? Well, let's just skip count with 9 and try to figure that out. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. Notice I'm just adding 9 each time. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. This is 54 is 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. So we now know that the smiley face, so smiley face, must be equal to 6. If we replace the smiley face with a 6, then this equation is true. 54 is equal to 9 times 6. Let's work on this one up here. 9 is equal to A divided by 8. Well, this is the same thing as saying that if A divided by 8 is equal to 9, well, that means that 9 times 8 must be equal to A. 9 times 8 must be equal to A. If I divide A into 8 groups and I have 9 in each group, that means if I have 9 in a group times 8 groups, I must have the total number of things. So what is 9 times 8? Well, 9 times 1 is 9. In fact, we already did a lot of our 9 times tables down here. We could just keep going. 9 times 6 was 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. So 9 times 8 is equal to 72. So we can say that A is equal to 72. And if A is equal to 72, then this equation becomes 9 is equal to 72 divided by 8, which is absolutely true. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. B is equal to 20 divided by 5. Well, what's 20 divided by 5? Well, there's a couple of ways you could think about it. You could literally view this as the same thing as saying that 5 times B is equal to 20. So 5 times what is equal to 20? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So that tells us that B must be equal to 4. B is equal to 4. So we could write 4 is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is absolutely true. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 20 divided by 5. Now we have one last one. We have star times 2 is equal to 4. Is equal to 14. So what times 2 is equal to 14? Well, let's just look at our multiples of 2. So let's see, 2 times 1 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So how many times did we have to multiply 2 to get to 14? So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So if I wrote 7 times 2 is equal to 14, this is absolutely true. So star must be equal to 7. Star is equal to 7.